Hi guys, it's 1:02 a.m. in the morning, and I'm a retiree, so I don't have to be anywhere. I can literally get up at any time of day or night and make a YouTube video. Even though it's 1:02 a.m. in the morning, I decided to make a YouTube video because I can. I have the camera equipment, and I need to practice making videos. When I first started making YouTube videos, I didn't have a clue on how to make them. But I've now made over 100 of them. And as each time I make it, I get better at it. At least I hope I'm getting better at it. So I plan to do this, keep making videos, because I want to try to do something productive with all my free time. And because 24 hours a day is my free time, I'm not coming to the end of my life. I'm 67 and 7 months old, and I'll be 68 this year. And the life expectancy for males in Ohio is 73.3 years. So that means I have less than 6 years if I reach my average life expectancy. So I like to leave the world a little bit better than when I first entered it. So my goal in life is to try to help at least one person. If I can help at least one person to make their life breathe easier in some way, then to me it means that my life hasn't been wasted on my own selfish pursuits. So that's my goal. I mean, it's a small goal, but it's meaningful to me. But anyway, I decided to try to help others improve their health, try to extend their lifespan, because I can't think of anything better as a gift is to try to improve someone's health or to help them live longer. I've told you before why, what motivated me. I used to weigh 236 pounds. I had let myself go. I went from 180 to 236 pounds. So I had gained 56 pounds of excess weight. Almost all of it's gone. I would like to get down to 180, but right now, the closest I got to is 181. So I'm still not quite where I want to be, but I'm trying. But what I want to talk to you today about is there's a thing of getting too much food. Malnutrition doesn't have to be deprivation. You're not getting enough protein or calories. It can also be getting too much protein, which isn't good for your kidneys. And too much fats and too many calories, which of course will convert over to fat, visceral fat. And when you get the visceral fat, your stomach balloons up, and I know that feeling because I had it. I had a big pot belly. I had to wear suspenders just so I could wear my pants because that belly was pushing my waistline down. And that was a problem I ran into, is that my weight went from, when I left the Marine Corps, I weighed 165 pounds, but when I was in working for the Department of Rehabilitation and Correction, when I ate reasonably, my weight was 180 pounds. And but I let myself balloon up to 236 pounds, and that's when I had the health scare. So anyway, I'm telling you this story, which is not a story, it's actually the truth. But this is the thought I had while I was sleeping. But a lot of people have a pear shape. It looks like this, where their chest is pretty flat and then it balloons out because of their belly. But there's a way when you exercise that you consciously do to make your waist look smaller, even though it's not smaller. I mean, sure, you want to reduce to your waist size. You want to get that visceral fat off your midsection because that causes inflammation. And there's a host of health problems associated with that because of what they call the metabolic syndrome, which includes the accumulation of visceral fat around your midsection. And that's this. I'm going to try to show you this. Remember that visceral fat around the midsection. If you just work on your lats, so you widen your lats here, you get what they call an hourglass figure, or for men we call it the V back. So of course it raises the next issues. It's how do you build up your latissimus dorsi, your lats? How do you get that V shape? Well, the best way I know of is do pull-ups or chin-ups.
Keep going. 20. 21. Don't stop. 22. Come on, three more. 23. 2 more. 24. 1 more. Come on, one more. 25. You've next.
If you do that, your lats will flare out. You'll get that V shape. But for some reason you can't do a pull-up, and there's a lot of people who can't because you have to get your muscles to work together in coordination to be able to do pull-ups. A lot of people don't do that. They just do isolation exercises. They're not used to doing that compound exercise. But there are other ways. One is by doing a lat pull down. And you can also do rows. Rows will build up your lats. For instance, this is a row. I'm using a kettlebell. You can do dumbbells or barbells. For instance, I'm using a barbell here. You just hold it up in the top position and squeeze your lats. That will build it up. And if you have a lat machine or a functional trainer, or I can do it on my machines I have here. Now let me show you. Okay, so I'm on my total gym machine. And I can do an easy version of a pull-up like this. And you can do this facing the other way with your stomach, on the actual slant board, or the glide board. I prefer having my back there instead of my stomach. Makes it easier to breathe. If you do this will work your lats. The only problem with the total gym is that you use only a fraction of your weight. So it's not as good as an actual pull-up. So when you do this, you can actually do like 50 at a time. And this will pump up your lats. But the good thing about a total gym is that you can work your eccentric portions a lot easier than on an actual pull-up station or a pull-up bar. And you can do that either way, with your hands supinated or pronated, or facing towards you or away from you. And you can do pulses more easily. So if you want to do a static hold, the Total Gym is a perfect machine to do that with. And a lot of times you can buy Total Gyms pretty inexpensively. I only paid $100 for this one. Check Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. And I can also do lat pull downs on my SoloFlex machine. And some people like to go wide when they do their lat pull downs. But I like to go narrow, because there's only one way your lats can grow, and that's out. So if you do a total SoloFlex or a Total Gym, you can work your lats. And I paid $100 for this machine off of Craigslist. So I paid $100 for my Total Gym, and I paid another $100 for my SoloFlex. And I can also use my RC PM 4400 home leverage gym. I also own a Gravity Edge gym, which I can do lat pull downs on. And believe it or not, I only paid $60 for this. And this is an excellent home gym machine that you can do a host of exercises, which includes the lat pull downs. And $60. If you can find a Gravity Edge gym, I would highly recommend you buying one, especially if you like doing pull-ups, because you can do static holds and work your eccentric portion easily on a Gravity Edge gym, just like you can with the Total Gym. But of the two, the Gravity Edge gym is better to develop your pull-up numbers. And if you have a lat attachment for a power rack, like this one, you can do pull downs here as well. And a lat machine is ideal. And lat machines are pretty cheap. I only paid $150 for this lat machine. And it's an older one, but it's heavy duty. And for $150, I just couldn't see passing that deal up. If you check Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace, you can get some tremendous deals. You don't have to buy a new one. But even a new one, you can buy a new one for around $200, $250. If you don't mind using the plate loaded. The ones with the weight stacks will cost you a lot more, but I'd rather use the plate loaded machines. And if you'd rather not buy a lat machine, if you don't have the space, you can easily get a resistance band, because you can use a resistance bands for pull downs too. And if you don't have a squat stand or a power rack, just get a door anchor, attach it to your door, and you can do pull downs with resistance bands on your door. This is what a door anchor looks like. and I've attached it to a resistance band. But to use it, just put it on your door, top of your door, and then close your door. And now you can do pull downs with it. Okay guys, that's all I have to say about this for this particular video. Please like, subscribe, share, hit the bell notification because I'll be doing a lot more videos. I don't make a penny from doing YouTube videos. I actually spend thousands of dollars just to put the ones I've already on my YouTube channel. But I don't mind doing it because, you know, I'm trying to help, you know, at least one person. And if I can do that, then, you know, I haven't wasted my money and I haven't wasted my life. I think this is a worthy endeavor for as a way to spend my abundant free time. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.